Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mercedes C-Class wing mirror. First, ensure you have a plastic pry tool, a flat head screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver ready. It is also wise to use a fender protection cover to prevent any damage to your car's paintwork. Begin by adjusting the mirror glass all the way down to create space for the next steps. Now, let's remove the mirror glass itself. Use your plastic pry tool to carefully work around the bottom edge of the mirror glass, gently releasing it from its clips. Once the glass is loose, you will find 2 or 3 electrical wires connected for heating and lighting functions. Disconnect these wires by hand, being gentle to avoid any damage. With the mirror glass safely removed, it's time to tackle the outer cover. Look for clips around the edge of the mirror housing. Using your plastic pry tool, gently unclip the cover, starting from the bottom or outer edge. Some C-Class models might have 1 or 2 small Torx screws, often T10, securing the cover, so check for those before prying. To remove the entire mirror assembly, first unscrew the 3 Phillips head screws located behind where the glass was. Next, carefully pry off the small triangular interior trim panel on the door, near the mirror base. This reveals the main electrical connector and 3 mounting bolts, often T25 Torx screws. Disconnect the wiring and remove these 3 bolts to free the mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.